how to change username in Pinterest. So if you want to change your username in Pinterest, then first of all open up a browser, any browser that you are comfortable with. And I'm here with Chrome browser. Simply go for the search bar and search for Pinterest. And after searching, here on the first search you will have www.pinterest.com. Click on that and make sure to log into your account. So after logging into your account, now what you can do is go for your profile, which is on the upper right. And after clicking on your profile, here you will have this kind of interface. So you can simply go for settings. And under settings, here you can scroll down. And after scrolling down, here you will have username on the last option. So you can simply click on that username. And then you can remove this username if you don't like that. And then add another username. Now click on save, which is here on the bottom, and that's it. Your profile has been saved. So your username has been changed. So that's how you change your username on your Pinterest. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.